the Spitfire's headquarters. This is Bill Gates. I fucking hate you, and I hate your children, and I want you to die. There is someone out there who apparently has a problem with the way I think. His name's Alvin. And if I fucking find him, I'm gonna kill him.
What was that? What was that, Bill? You pussy? Bill Gates? The big pussy? You know? Come to watch Monsanto and tell Bill Gates he's a piece of shit. You can take this bottle and you can fuck his stupid wife with it. Okay? He's evil. Motherfucking evil. Evil. Over to the left, you'll see a table full of AR-15s. These are complimentary of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. These are for anyone who is growing tomatoes. Okay? If they have any fucking bees, we provided grenades. Okay? Or we could just go the easier, more economic route and just use Agent Orange. Much healthier. Much less dangerous. Guns? Bad. Pesticides and genetic modification? Good.